What's up guys, Rico Jaguars back again. And how should I say that? I'm sorry that I didn't upload video so much because I'm real busy with schoolworks. So let me to get to this straight to the point. Sorry guys. So if you have noticed that I'm using a phone for my gameplay, right? So yeah, and I have a phone case of my phone, and it was this. Yes, this was my old phone case that I've been using and since today. But now this this will be I will change my phone case with a new one right here. I ordered this from Shopee, and it's so I cannot I hope it's from the one that I've been waiting for. I searched from Shopee, but I searched Zenless Zone Zero, and there's a lot of Zenless Zone Zero, but there's no Redmi 13C style case of Zenless Zone Zero. And Genshin Impact, I there's a lot, and even have a Redmi 13C design case, but I don't play Genshin Impact yet. But you know that. But without further to do, let's play. Let's unbox. So me, okay. Let's see. Who could that be? And if you know the second Hoyoverse game that I didn't play, but I like the characters, and you will know what kind of game is that. And 3, 2, 1. Hey, yes, okay, this is, I forgot the name. Sorry guys, but I saw this character from my big sister's gameplay of Honkai Star Rail. Yes, and this is one of my favorite character when my big sister play the Honkai Star Rail. And yeah, so this is a cool case. This is only an unboxing review, and the details, look at the details. If you know the name of this character, the comment down below and let me know. And I see he's playing games, and he has this goggles or glasses. This is one of my inspiration of the version of Honkai Rico version that I never play Honkai Star Rail. So without further ado, that's it for today guys, and I'm gonna use this case for my gameplay, and yes, so that's it. Now please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.